Common errors in IRB protocol application. At the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and identify potential errors in your IRB protocol application. Overall, the two most common errors in an IRB applications are not answering all the applicable questions and lack of consistency throughout the application. In the next slides, I will be focusing on each of the tabs in the protocol application and the most common errors at each tab. Under the Project Information tab, the most common error is the lack of clear and consistent explanation of research procedures. Under General Information, the most common error is not attaching the outside activity disclosure form for research personnel, such as students or external collaborators. Under the Human Subject Information, the two most common errors are missing or incorrect inclusion criteria or missing details for involuntary withdrawal. Under the Recruitment tab, the two most common errors are the lack of explanation about privacy protection, for example, the location of interviews or the Zoom settings during the interviews. The second most common error is not attaching the recruitment tools, for example, email recruitment, templates, recruitment script, or flyers. Under the Protection of Data tab, the most common errors are the lack of description of the data collection and protection, for example, anonymous or coding data, and the storage and confidentiality of the data. Under the Risk and Benefit tab, the most common errors is missing the description of any possible risk for the participant, such as emotional, mental, possible breach of confidentiality, and how the risk will be minimized. In the Informed Consent tab, there is four most common errors. The first one is not attaching the informed consent. The second, research activities do not align in the protocol with the informed consent. The third one is listing personnel in the informed consent that are not listed in the protocol. And the last one, when working with different populations, missing the different IC for each population. Under the Training tab, the most common errors, obviously, is personnel is missing the required trainings. The second is missing the description of the collaboration and contribution of each research member. Under the Protocol Forms Links tab, the two most common errors are, number one, not attaching the research tools, for example, interview or survey questions. And second is missing the survey links when using data collection programs such as Qualtrics and RedCap. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please contact the IRB via email at irb@ugrgb.edu.